today with another video, but before I get started on all the details, please make sure to hit the subscribe button down below if you're not subscribed to my channel already, and if you are subscribed, please make sure to turn those notifications on so you don't miss out on any of my videos. Hopefully I didn't say that too fast because I feel like that just came out. Okay, all right, today's video is going to be brought to you by the company Luvme hair. Y'all know I love some Luvme. I do. I'm gonna make sure to leave all the details down below in the description area. My little bow came off, so just imagine, okay? This is what the box looks like, and I have lotion on my hands, so I'm pretty sure you're going to see the prints. My bad. All right, so let's get rid of that. Take this off. Your unit comes in this bag, and then they included the one clip. And then there's an HD wig cap, some lace tape. There's a little card to help like store your wigs in case you have a lot of wigs like me. Then you can put the name of the wig so you don't be confused. And then you have, get on up out of here. Then you have a Luvme bag. And then they included, I believe this is a beauty blender. All right, so Luvme beauty blender. But I know y'all don't care about none of that. So let's put this box to the side and let's get into the unit. And yes, bye. Bye. Oh, they also included an removable elastic band. That was inside of the wig. I'm pretty sure it didn't mean to come like that, but maybe it just got pushed in there. And take all this packaging off. This is their 10-inch blunt cut bob wig. Now this one, y'all, is only a 2x6. I don't think I've ever done a 2x6 on my channel, so I'm very interested to see how this is going to look. It does have your HD lace, and this one is a silky texture. It's 150% in density. What your cap construction looks like, that is your lace area. As you can see, they went ahead and bleached those knots, as you can tell right there in the front. You get a comb on each side. You also get a comb in the nape area, and then you get the area for your removable elastic band, and you get your adjustable straps in the nape area. Okay, so I went ahead and added the adjustable elastic band. I tightened up my straps in the back. This is a medium cap size. You guys know I have a small head, okay? I have a small head. So I want to make sure that this is going to fit me really well. And because there's no lace that goes all the way across, I'm not going to be able to cut into the lace or anything. So I'm hoping that it fits up by my ear. I said I don't think I've done a 2x6. If y'all spoke to my channel and I did, my bad. I just probably haven't done it in a long time. But let's go ahead and put this beauty on and see what it's looking like. Alright, so this is what it is looking like on, and dare I say, this is snug to my head. This is fitted. Probably loosen up that removable elastic band because it's fitted. Like, it's laying down very flat at the top, which y'all can see. There's no humps and bumps, okay? The side by my ear, it's not bad. My ear isn't bending or anything, so it's not bad at all. It just probably comes over just a little bit, like it's bending a little bit on this side, but I don't feel like it's bad. And like I said, it's fitted on. It's Miss Thing is snug. She's snug. Okay, so you don't get a lot, okay? There's not a lot of lace to be worried about. This is your lace right here, and can you really see the lace? Can you really see it? Let me see if I can move it out of the way. I'm trying to really see. Let me use this little clip. All right, that's the lace. You can't really see it, so it's there. You just can't really see it. You can probably see it on the edge a little bit, but for the most part, there it is. So you get your parting space. It's very nice and open. They did a very good job of bleaching those knots, and I like how open it is, because considering that this is only a 2x6, it shouldn't be tight at all. It shouldn't be. Now, can you move this to the side? I mean, you could. It ain't gonna really be a side part. This is really meant to stay in the middle. Keep it in the middle for my ladies who just want to rock a middle part, and that's exactly what they like it to be. This is going to be perfect for you. As far as this length goes, I'm loving the length. It's not too long. And the cut, ooh, once I add my heat to this, oh, this is going to look really, really nice. So y'all, this is gonna be a really quick install. It's not going to take me long at all to get this together, and I'm happy about that. I could probably scoop this back just a little bit, but yeah, this is gonna be really quick. I'm gonna cut off a little bit of this lace on the side, the lace that I can see, and I'm just gonna get this laid down. I mean, this should be quick. Shouldn't take you no time at all. Shouldn't take me no time at all. So I'm gonna go ahead and get into it, and then I'll be back to show you the final look and to tell you my final thoughts. Literally a 5 to 10 minute install. I probably spent more time, you know, doing this and playing around with it. I probably spent more time doing that than installing a wig. Literally, it took me no time. Y'all, this wig's so dang pretty. Look at me. Look at me in this wig. She's cute. And look at the way it moves. I like the way it moves. Y'all, this... I use my olive oil wig grip spray to spray a little bit in the front. Not much is needed because it's already pretty much done for you. I thought that that was a lot of lace, but it wasn't. It wasn't. I cut off just a very, very small amount. It's pretty much already done for you. If you don't want to have to cut off anything, you do not have to at all. But it already comes like kind of pre-plucked, and it also comes pre-bleached. I did end up going at the top and just kind of flattening it out a little bit more on this side. But for the most part, Miss Thing is laying flat. Flat. And I know y'all keep seeing me move my head because you know when you got a good bob wig, when you just over here like moving it. And you know the picture's gonna be on point because you gotta get the angle. Like you gotta get the angle where you see how that moves. You just gotta get the angle. Okay, let me stop getting too happy. All right, so I also added a little bit of powder into the parting space. I didn't have to add too much because it's already nice and open. And instead of taking my wax stick at the top, because this is a silky texture, I didn't want it to come off like too silky. So what I did was end up spraying a little bit of my wig grip spray in my comb and just kind of combing through the hair. That way it would lay down and still look more natural versus coming off looking too shiny. I did not want that to happen at all. I noticed more of the flyaways on this side and then like kind of back here at the top, but not a lot up in this area. So it's just more like kind of in this area. I don't see frizziness going on at all. I'm not seeing any frizziness. I did bump the hair a little bit because this is more of a blunt cut, and I absolutely love the way that this hair feels. It has such a nice texture to it. It also has a really nice sheen. I did notice when I turned around though that this hair seems to be more on the darker side, but I noticed some natural brown pieces when I would turn like a certain way. It come off looking super natural. But yeah, I like the sheen on this because it's not too shiny and it just feels really soft. I think this one is going to be perfect for every day. It's super low maintenance, and it just is not going to require a lot of fuss at all. Now, as far as shedding and tangling goes, I got a very small amount of shedding. I'm not getting any snags right now. The ends might end up needing a little bit more TLC, but it's not snagging. It's very easy for me to just run my fingers through. This is just an easy bob. I don't really have any cons about it. And an extra plus is because it fits my head. And I know sometimes when it comes to Luvme hair, when it comes to like their closure wigs, sometimes they can be a little bit big on me, but this one fits me really nice. By my ear, it's leaning just a little bit, but it's not like the uncomfortable lean to where it's hurting my ear. Really flat on the sides. And if you want some versatility, you can always go for a 5x5 closure. But for my ladies who don't want to break the bank, but they still want a nice bob that's going to move and groove, you don't always have to spend so much money on looking good. And Luvme said, here you go. This is one that you need to add to cart. On the website, because I wanted to see what other lengths that this unit goes up to, you have 10 inches all the way up to 16 inches. However, when it comes to the 2x6, you can get it in the 10, 12, and 14. But once you go to 14 and 16, then you get the 5x5 option. I don't know, for me, I would stick to the 10 inch. I'm not saying that the 14 and 16 not gonna be cool, but if you want the Bobbiana look, stick with this one. What you guys think about this unit? Are we feeling this one? I'm definitely feeling it, and I know y'all can tell that I'm feeling it. I don't really have any cons on it. Like I stated, this is ready to wear, ready to go. It's super affordable. It's beginner friendly. It's already done. What more do you want? I'm gonna make sure to leave all the details down below in the description area for you guys. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, turn those notifications on, share and like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.